By Friday, cloud cover expands to Dubai, northern areas, Al Ain, and eastern parts. Expect widespread precipitation and a notable drop in temperatures. This Friday, December 19th, expect unstable conditions with partly cloudy to overcast skies. Heavy convective clouds will bring varying intensities of rain, including intense lightning and thunder. Isolated areas may even experience hail. Strong winds, gusting up to 65 km/h, will kick up dust and sand. This severely reduces visibility for motorists. Travelers are strongly advised to exercise extreme caution on roads and avoid wadi areas prone to flash flooding. By Saturday, December 20th, the main weather system begins to move out, bringing more stable conditions. While heavy downpours subside, northern and eastern areas may still see scattered showers. Winds will shift to a northwesterly flow.